Hello everyone. I look dead. I don't know why. I hope you had a great Valentine's Day. I did nothing except to watch the Gremlins on Netflix this weekend, and it made me think that I could draw myself as a gremlin.
This is the face of someone who thinks she has a good idea.
But like the lady gremlins, with her big mouth and all her green hair. And so I thought it could be funny to do that. I tried to find fun in simpler things, like watching Seinfeld on a repeat and
Hello, darkness.
or big cakes that are not very good.
Like forgetting to put sugar in my banana bread, you fool.
Anyway, let's do this. So this is me as a Gremlins. As you can see, I did my hair with that weird white highlight on the front. She has a Valentine's card saying "Be my Valentine," and it was very fun to do. If you like this video, you can put a thumbs up, you can subscribe, you can follow me on Instagram at elphileb2art, you can also follow me on TikTok at elphileb, and I hope you had a great Valentine's Day. See you soon, bye!